Hello everyone, welcome back to the shop. Today we're going to continue our making knives out of junk, and I'm going to be making a knife out of this old ratchet. This ratchet's been through a fire. It was a shop fire, and this is a Popular Mechanics chrome vanadium ratchet, and as you can tell it melted all the, I guess it had some aluminum internal components, and the flipper was aluminum. It melted all that out, and of course just completely cooked everything. So this is pretty much worthless. Tried to look up if it could be fixed or replaced. I couldn't find anything about that. And so it's either destined for the scrap bin to be hauled off and thrown away, or we can make a cool letter opener or something out of it. So I'm going to come right up here and cut this off, clean the end of it up with a grinder. We're going to throw it in the forge, see if we can make something neat. Alrighty, there's how it turned out. I think it turned out pretty cool, especially for something that was destined for the junk pile. Ought to make a pretty cool letter opener for my wife to use at work. With that being said, I appreciate you checking this video out. Hit that sub button if you would. Ring the notification bell to be notified when this content as it posts. And I'll catch y'all on the next one. Y'all all have a good one. See you soon. Bye-bye.